Here are 7 things I wish I knew when I first started playing guitar. Number 1, don't practice for the sake of practicing. Be intentional with your practice and focus on specific goals. Number 2, don't establish bad habits. Fixing them later is way harder than starting with proper technique from the beginning. Number 3, practice fast and slow. Speed is nothing without accuracy, and you'll only build that by slowing down first. Number 4, spreading out your practice sessions. Spread your practice sessions throughout the day. It's more effective than cramming everything into one long session. Number 5, learn from as many pros as possible. Every great player has something unique to offer, so soak up as much as you can. Number 6, discover new genres. You'll find new techniques, ideas, and inspiration outside of your comfort zone. And lastly, number 7, exploit your strengths, but don't ignore your weaknesses. Make sure you keep both in check to become a well-rounded guitarist. I wish I knew these things when I started, and I hope you can use them to make your journey a lot smoother and faster. Subscribe for more tips.